In order to add multiple users to one course or multiple users to multiple courses, I can use the Import Enrollments button over here on the right side of the page. Again, if you're not on the course sessions list, just go to the top left, click Manage, Course Sessions, and it will bring you to this page. And up here on the top right, we have Import Enrollments. As you can see, we're going to build another CSV file where we have a column for course name, session name, term, username, role, and status. And we have a brief explanation of all these terms right underneath. Course name, as we've seen already, is the name of the course. Session name is the name of that specific section that I'm creating. Then we have the term from the list of available terms. And we have our usernames for our students and teachers, role to define who's teacher, who's student, and of course status. If you put active as the status, that will add the student or teacher to the course. If you would like to remove someone from a course, you'll just put in inactive. For now, since you're onboarding, most likely everyone is going to be active status. I'll bring my spreadsheet over here, and we have our course name. So we have our psychology, and we had AP period 2. The term for all of our courses was 2015-2016, and the username we want to add is jharris123. That's a teacher role, and the status is active. And I'd like to add this teacher to multiple courses, so I'm going to paste that information, the last 3 columns, to the next 2 lines. I'd like to add Jim Harris to our chemistry course and also to our statistics course. We had AP period 3 for chemistry, AP period 4 for statistics, and the same term for all of those courses. Now I'm going to click Save As. I'm going to save this as Video Demo Enrollments. And of course, save it as a CSV file, and I'll click Save. It'll ask me to continue. I'll click Continue. Now, if I want to add students as well, I can add students on this same spreadsheet. So we have our student Sarah Palmer. We'll add her to these courses as well. And her status is active. Now, we're going to add her to the same 3 courses, so we can just copy and paste here. But of course, if you want to add her to different courses, as long as the courses already exist, you can do that all in the same spreadsheet. I'm going to save again. Click Continue. Now I'll move my spreadsheet out of the way. Go back to the back office, click Upload. Find my spreadsheet up here, Video Demo Enrollments. Click Open. And as you can see, our selected file, video demo enrollments.csv. I'll click Continue. And we have 3 users successfully enrolled to the course and 3 lines failed. Why did they fail? jharris123, the user, is not found. So here we have an example of an error message telling exactly what we need to fix in order to make this enrollment work properly. So what we're going to do is go back to our spreadsheet and fix it so that the enrollment will work properly. I'm going to drag my spreadsheet up here, and in order to show what our mistake was, I'm going to go back to my video demo account spreadsheet. As you can see, the username for Jim Harris is not J Harris, it's actually Jim Harris 123. So I'm going to go over to my video demo enrollments and adjust my spreadsheet. I'll create Jim Harris 123 as my username, paste it in the other 2 columns, save, Continue. Move my spreadsheet out of the way. And now I'm going to upload another file. And you're going to notice something about this enrollment as well. You're going to see 3 successful lines and 3 failures. Lines 4, 5, and 6, we know that Sarah Palmer was already enrolled from that first upload, so it's not going to enroll her again with the second one. So now we have 3 successful enrollments. Those are all the Jim Harris 1, 2, 3 enrollments. And of course, Sarah Palmer was not uploaded a second time. So we're going to click Finish here. We're going to go back to our courses. We'll click on Psychology Period 2, and as you can see, Sarah Palmer has been added. Jim Harris has been added, and our rosters for these courses are now complete.